What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of CP Customs Budget Builds. In today's episode we're gonna finally start reassembling our engine, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I want to start to reassembly the engine a bit. Therefore we need our parts. Some of them are laying here, which is the clutch assembly and the main gears, and some parts are laying here. The most important part for the next step is this one here, because it's kind of the housing for the main gear, which is sitting here on top, and also the oil reservoir. So I have to mount this fella back on the engine. I have to use some gasket sealer, and then we're gonna continue step by step and put all parts back on the engine. All right, let's go. So ein Scheibenkleister hier. Ist das schon ein Billigwerkzeug? Benutze ich 5-mal hier. Super, jetzt ist der Kopf da drin. Einsame Spitze. Ich will mich schon wieder aufregen! Heidanei. Oh! Yo guys, how you doing? I'm doing good. Because of what? Because of progress. The engine starts finally looking again like an engine. So what happened? We mounted back the front area of the engine with the spacer and the clutch assembly and all the gears. Make sure everything is sealed. I used a new shaft sealer for main shaft. Then back the spacer, the gears back inside, sealed everything. For the clutch you need a special tool to centralize the clutch plate, otherwise you won't be able to fit your gearbox back into the clutch because they are not on the same level, so you need a special tool. And by the way, this is a complete new clutch plate I installed because the old one does not look that good anymore. So I'm really happy so far, but I'm gonna continue. Now I can put back the crankshaft cover, I can start to prepare for the fuel supply and for the air supply, and yeah, just moving on. So let's go. So I just checked the valve clearance, the valve plate of the intake camshaft and of the outtake or the exhaust camshaft. In fact, on the exhaust camshaft everything is alright, the valve plate is in the range, but on the intake camshaft, cylinder 2 and 4, the plate, the clearance is too small between the valves and the camshaft. So I'm gonna try to fix this. In that case I have to take out the plate and I try to decrease the thickness of the plate to increase the valve plate itself, yeah, to get back in the range. That's the plan. So, fingers crossed, let's go. Check this out. So generator's back in, starter is back in, all the covers are back. Camshaft cover, also the mounting for the air supply is back on top. Timing chain cover is back. Everything is sealed. This looks amazing! Guys, we have reached the end of this episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked what you see, please consider subscribing. We did not finish the engine yet. We're gonna continue in the next episodes with mounting back on the air supply, the fuel supply, and all the electric. Make this engine, possible or capable to run again. And make sure you're not gonna miss this. So be excited about the next episode. Stay tuned.
Make the ground shake.